We want police, university staff. We've tried speaking to the University of Administration, the management. We have been turned away from them because they didn't want to speak with us. That's why we have called this protest here today.
No justice, no.
We want to stand up for our leader who has been standing up for our rights for over 19 years. And this is what we have learned from our leader. We want to make sure that this university also take notice of this and make sure that this judge is expelled from the training. And also make sure that future judges that come here, they check their credibility and research into them so that this university's reputation can be saved.
मेरी कोशिश है कि एक बहन को फिर भाई बट करे बात बात करने दे लेडी को बात करने दे
आपकी आवाज नहीं जा रही, आप दूसरा
Our leader, our beloved leader, Imran Khan, has been put into prison and is the murderer of justice in Pakistan. We are so proud of being British Constitution, which is not a British Constitution, but it's still known as Mother of Constitution. But look at the murder which has been done right over here in UK, and it's the educational institutions where it has been done. And they have given protection, they have allowed Dilawar to come over here and study.